Metal industry is moving forward, and today we are releasing the new Kenzap nesting app, which relies on a state-of-the-art algorithm for polygon placement. And that is probably the most robust and efficient software ever released in this space. I am opening Kenzap nesting app. Next, I'm opening my downloads folder where I have some DXF files I want to use for placement. So I'm simply drag and dropping them here. I'm closing my folder. Now, when I'm clicking on this first DXF file, you can see it managed to identify multiple shapes inside this file. I can temporarily disable shapes I don't want to use for placement and increase the amount, like quantity, for other shapes. And I can repeat the same thing for all other files. Now it's time to add our first sheet. And here I can define dimensions of the sheet and pick various modes that you can find description down below what actually each of these modes is supposed to do. I'm sticking to optimize app to maximum width, and you will see what actually means during the placement. So I'm adding the sheet, and now I'm just ready to go. I'm hitting on run button. Now I can see how the nesting algorithm is running. So we are done. I can see the status bar down below that shows me how many parts are placed on each individual sheet and what is the actual utilization. Now when I'm clicking on export sheets, I can see how many sheets I actually need and what are the unique dimensions of each individual sheet. There's some additional statistics out there and the total length, which is pretty useful if you first need to cut your sheets from a metal coil, meaning they have variable length. And yeah, so finally I'm hitting on export DXF and it goes back to downloads folder. Let me open my downloads folder and here we go. I can open my DXF preview in any editor, and basically this file is already ready for cutting. And there is a comment section below. If you have some questions, feel free to ask them, and thanks for your time.